Hi, my name is Benjamin Patchen. Today we're at MarineMax Stuart, and I'm going to show you a beautiful 2020 Sea Ray 290 SD. This boat is a sandbar machine. I mean, look at me. I've got a cooler, I've got my cell phone, I've got radio controls. You can't beat this. Also, for your ingress and egress, we've got a swim platform that comes down. Great. As I pointed out earlier, got radio controls. Boat is just laid out exceptionally. You've got beautiful sea deck. Also, as you enter, you'll see you got a sink. You've got a summer kitchen with a grill and a cockpit refrigerator. Also, this tower will come down. It'll lower, which will save you money at a high and dry, or if you've got a low bridge or something, that can really play into making your life better. As you walk up to the helm, you'll see really nice flip-up bolsters, both sides. Beautiful electronics, just seamlessly integrated. Chart plotter, all touchscreen. You've got the Fusion high-end Apollo. Really nice sound stereo. As you move to the front, you can see this boat's got tons of bow seating. Armrests, you've got a windlass up here in the front, power up and down your anchor. This boat make you king of the sandbar. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. Today we're at MarineMax Stuart on the 2020 290 SD.